Hi, my name's Jeanne, and I work at the Worcester branch of Wayne County Public Library. Welcome to Tuesday Crafternoon. Today we're going to make some seashell lights. This easy craft will upgrade your patio, deck, porch, or a room in your home into an oasis of beachy fun, perfect for summer gatherings. This photo shows some seashell lights hanging on my deck at twilight. Okay, let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make seashell lights. A strand of white lights. My strand has 100 lights because I want a long strand to stretch across my deck. So your strand can be however many lights you like. Some seashells. I found mine in the craft aisle at our dollar store. If you have shells from a trip to the seaside, you can use those. For adhesive, I'm using a glue gun. This is a high heat glue gun. A low heat glue gun, the glue isn't strong enough to hold the seashells onto the lights. You can use whatever type of adhesive that you would like. Just remember that some of those, such as epoxy, etc., are quite fragrant, and you'll need to work in a well-ventilated area if you're using that type of adhesive. And we're going to need some tape. The first thing that we want to do is tape our lights to our work surface, and I'm using a large piece of cardboard to work on. So take your tape, and you want to glue or to tape your strand down to your work surface. And depending on how large your work surface is, you could tape like a foot at a time, maybe even up to a couple feet at a time. I'm just going to do a couple lights as a demonstration. So I'm going to tape these down. And then take your adhesive and apply some to the base of your light, not on your light bulb. And then choose the shell that you want to use. I'm going to use this one. And then just hold it down. And you're going to want to do that for a minute or so to make sure that your shell is bonded to the base of your light. Don't get impatient. I get impatient. So you want to take your time with this and hold it for a minute or so, and then you're going to need to let your adhesive dry completely before picking up your strand of seashells. So I would recommend maybe letting it dry overnight, and then you can give it a try and see if your lights or your shells are still sticking to your lights. Okay, and then we just move on. And we'll do the next one. And let's use this seashell. And again, just hold that down for a minute or so that you get a good bond there. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll want to make a strand of seashell lights as well. Please take care, and I hope you have a fun-filled summer.